This video demonstrates the principles of tying a reef knot when the wound, represented here by the two parallel red rubber bands, is perpendicular to the surgeon. The pink end of the rope represents the short or free end of the suture to be tied, and the green rope represents the long end where the needle would be attached. The same methods of tying a knot when the wound is parallel to the surgeon can be adapted. In the first method here, the pink rope is placed as if it were away from the surgeon. In this situation, we start with an index finger tie. The left hand picks up the pink rope with the thumb against the middle and ring fingers. The hand then pronates, and the pink rope is held up by the index finger. The right hand then lays the green rope over the left index finger. The left index finger then flexes, pulling the green rope with it, and then extends to push the pink rope with the back of the nail through the loop formed. Once through the loop, the thumb lets go, and the middle finger now helps the index finger hold the pink rope by adducting against it. Once fully through the loop, the thumb and index finger can now pull the pink rope to the left while tightening the knot squarely at 180 degrees. The hands do not cross when tightening the first throw, making the initial wound closure visible to the surgeon. The backhand throw is then performed to complete the reef knot. The pink rope is held between the thumb and the index finger with the left hand supinated. The hand is then pronated so that the pink rope lies over the volar aspect of the remaining three fingers. The green rope is then laid over the fingers of the left hand parallel to the green rope. The middle finger is flexed, pulling the green rope away from the surgeon, and then on extending this finger it pushes the pink rope through the loop with the back of the nail. Once through, it is held between the middle and ring finger initially, and then pulled back by the thumb and index finger. It is now in its original position while the knot is being tightened. A reef knot has now been made. So again, the pink rope is placed away from the surgeon. The index finger tie is performed. The left hand presents the pink rope on its index finger. The right hand lays the green rope beside it. Once the index finger flexes, pulling in the green rope, it quickly extends and the pink rope goes through the loop. The thumb has to let it go at this point, but the middle finger helps hold the rope against the index finger. The knot is tightened squarely. The thumb and the index finger pick up the pink rope to start the backhand throw. Once the hand is supinated, the green rope is then laid beside the pink one over the left hand. The middle finger then flexes, pulling the green rope away, but then quickly extends its nail against the pink rope. Once through the loop, the pink rope is held between the middle and ring finger, and the knot is tightened to form the reef knot. Another way to make the reef knot at this angle is to initially pull the short pink end of the rope towards the surgeon. By doing so, we now start the first half of the reef knot with a backhand throw. The left hand, while supinated, picks up the rope between the thumb and the index finger, and then supinates the hand so that the rope is now lying across the volar aspect of the remaining three fingers. The right hand then lays the green rope over these three fingers of the left hand. Immediately the middle finger flexes, pulling the green rope towards the surgeon. The middle finger then extends, pushing the pink rope downwards through the loop. It is held on the other side between the middle and ring finger. The knot is then tightened at 180 degrees without crossing the hands. The pink rope always ends up on the opposite side to where it started after each throw. The index finger throw follows. The pink rope is picked up between the thumb against the middle and ring fingers, and the hand is pronated. The green rope is laid over the index finger. The index finger flexes, pulling it to the left, and then quickly extends, pushing the pink rope backwards through the loop formed. The knot is then tightened, forming a reef knot. The pink rope is now back to the side where it started. It is necessary to cross the hands when tightening the second throw. The pink rope is placed purposely towards the surgeon. A backhand throw is commenced by picking up the rope in the left hand between the thumb and index finger. The hand is then supinated. The green rope is placed parallel to the pink rope. The middle finger flexes, pulling this green rope forward, and then extends so that the pink rope goes through the loop. The first throw is tightened. The index finger throw is then commenced by picking up the pink rope and by pronating the hand. The pink rope now lies over the index finger. The green rope is laid beside it. The index finger flexes, pulling the green rope forward. It then extends with the pink rope now behind the nail. The pink rope is pushed through the loop with the index finger, while the middle finger and thumb still hold it proximally. But once through the loop, the thumb and middle finger let go, and the middle finger and index finger take the pink rope to the other side. The reef knot is formed.